Hello, my name is Katie Yu, and I'm the Graduate Program Coordinator here at Rutgers ECE. I wanted to take this time to congratulate you on your acceptance into the program, and we look forward to having you in fall 2024. This is the admitted student advising session. Admittedly, we did not record the official session, so I am re-presenting the information in the first 10 minutes now. Therefore, Professor Wahid Bajwa is not here at this time in this session, but he is the graduate program director, and he will be providing you with one-on-one advising as you transition into the program. So in this session, we will help you identify the curriculum for your program in the ECE handbook. We will help you identify which courses are offered each semester and how to register for those courses. We'll talk about special permission numbers or SPNs and seeing the schedule of courses without registering. And then in the information session, there was a general Q&A and one-on-one advising with Professor Bajwa. So the first question that you are probably asking is, which courses do I need to take in my first semester as an ECE student? And this is all found in the handbook. For master students, this is in Appendix B, where the core and elective courses are listed. Throughout your time here, you'll need to take 30 credits total. And this is in addition to 2 semesters of colloquium, which is 16, 332, 699. 16 for the school, which is the School of Graduate Studies. 332 for the department, which is Electrical and Computer Engineering. And 699 is the course number. For PhD students, you'll find this in Appendix C, which is the core courses for your qualifying exam. Throughout your degree, you'll take 72 credits total with a minimum of 36 credits of coursework. And you will need 4 semesters of colloquium. So below is a link to the handbook where you can scroll down to the appendices and click on Appendix B. And once you're in Appendix B, you will see within each specialization, there are the course, core and restricted electives listed. So for instance, in communications, these are the core courses, these are the restricted electives. You'll need to take 3 core and 3 restricted elective courses. And as you'll notice, that will add up to 18 credits. So the remaining 12 credits, 3 need to be taken in the EC department to fulfill your 21 credit residency requirement. And the other 9 can be taken as any graduate course throughout Rutgers that is in a related field, or they can also be taken in the ECE department. So here are all the specializations listed. And then Appendix C is the PhD qualifying exam course requirements. And you will need to take 4 core courses with a GPA of at least 3.75 and 1 restricted math elective to take your qualifying exam. And these courses are listed as such. As we scroll through the PhD requirements, there is also the certificate program courses, where you will need to take a minimum of 2 courses from List A and a maximum of 2 courses from List B, with 4 courses total, if that is the program in which you are enrolled. So next we'll be talking about determining which courses are offered each semester and registering for courses. So the first step will be to go to this website, which I will be sending as a separate link. and you go to class registration. Once you click on class registration, you'll go to the online web registration or WebReg portal. You'll click on Rutgers Students Register for WebReg login and log in with your NetID. Once you are here, you'll choose to register for the semester that pertains to you, which right now is Fall 24. And you'll be registering for courses at the New Brunswick location, and you'll be registering for graduate level courses. Newark and Camden are completely different campuses than New Brunswick, so please keep in mind to register at the New Brunswick location. And then on the next page, you'll start typing in electrical to bring up all the courses that have to do with electrical and computer engineering and are in our department, which is the 332 department. And then once you submit, all of the courses that will be offered in the Fall 24 semester will appear. And then in drop-down menus, you can find more information about them, including the day and time they're offered, the campus and room number, the professor teaching them, and if the section is open. Once you have decided this is the course you'd like to register for, you click register, this register button here. So I would suggest looking in the handbook at the courses that count towards your core and elective courses, looking on this website to see which courses are offered, and registering for courses that interest you and are in your specialization. Please know that if a course is offered in the fall semester, it will not be offered in the spring semester. So if you see something that interests you, please take it now. Once you click that register button, the registration number will appear in this box. You'll click add course, and the courses that you are registering for will appear here. There will not be a confirmation email for this process. So sometimes students want to register for courses from other departments, like to fulfill those elective courses that can be taken outside ECE, but you will need to obtain permission from the other department in order to register for that. So you'll need to get an SPN, which is a 6-digit number that allows you to register in the other department. And you reach out to that department directly to obtain the SPN. There are also some courses, which I'll show later, that have prerequisites listed, but the prerequisites are not being enforced by the department this semester. So you can reach out to me directly at this email address to get an SPN for those courses. So if you want to register for a course in another department, for instance, computer science, you'll search computer science here, find the course that you're interested in, click register, put in the course number, add the course, and then it'll prompt you to go to this box, which is the input SPN, and then you'll submit it from there. So something to note is Rutgers has a concept called the drop add deadline, which means that about 10 days into the semester, the exact date is university-wide and will be posted closer to the start of the semester. You can change your course registration up until that date. So we suggest that students register for more courses than they intend to take. And then after they attend the course during the first week, they drop courses that they are interested in taking. Please note that if you're an international student, you must be a full-time student unless you have received a reduced credit load saying otherwise. And so that means that you must register for 9 credits or more, and you must be registered for at least 9 credits after the drop add deadline. So in that last video, we talked about special permission numbers. And this is just a reminder that to register for courses in other departments like computer science and math, you reach out to the individual department's graduate program to receive that SPN. And here are a list of courses that are not enforcing their prerequisites. Either there are no prerequisites or you need to feel confident in certain subjects before enrolling in the course instead of obtaining the prerequisite. If you would like to register for one of these courses and do not have the prerequisite listed on WebReg, please reach out to me and I can get you registered for that course. I just want to let you know that there's another resource where you can view courses without going into WebReg, and that's the Rutgers schedule of courses. And everything works the same as the WebReg system. The search is identical. You just won't be able to actually register for the class. But this website is public, so if you don't have your NET ID yet, you can still view course options. So this is a note for TA and GAs only. This is for people that already have TA and GA offers. If you are a GA, you must register for this 6-credit course every semester you are a GA. If you are a TA, you must register for this 6-credit course every semester that you are a TA. This is a typo, that should be a 1. And these courses do not give you TA or GA appointments. They are just placeholders in your schedule that we use for internal purposes in order to keep track of who is a TA and who is a GA. So we greatly appreciate it if you would register for these if they apply to you. If you are not a TA or GA and you register, you will be deregistered from these courses. So if you have any questions about anything presented or for me in general, please reach out to me via email. My email address is ecegradprogram@soe.rutgers.edu. I look forward to meeting you all in the fall and hope you have a great rest of your day.